Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Let me ask you, do you think that your accounts are safe just because you use a strong password and multi-factor authentication? What if I told you that even with all that, attackers can still break in? In today's video, I'm going to show you how free tools out there that can be used to bypass MFA using Microsoft Office 365 as an example. This video is for educational purpose only, and everything you see is done in a safe, controlled lab environment. The goal is to help you understand how such attacks work so you can better protect yourself and your organization. Now let's jump in. The victim clicks a link in an email crafted by the attacker to log into her Microsoft account. Once she clicks it, the attacker sees the activity on the malicious server on the left. The victim continues the login process by entering her username and password. As soon as she does this, her credentials are captured by the malicious server showing here on the left. Next, the victim is asked to enter the code from her authenticator app. After she inputs the code, she's directed to the official Microsoft login page. And at this point, the attacker has already hijacked her session cookies, which you can see on the left. Now the attacker opens the browser. So here you can see a different browser for the demo. The attacker replaced the cookies from the one stolen from the victim, so using a plugin here. And after that, the attacker refreshing the page. Now he's in. So he's now fully logged into the victim's account without needing the password or the MFA at all, as you can see here. So as you can see, even with strong password and multi-factor authentication, attackers can still get in if you are tricked into visiting the wrong link. MFA is important, but it is not bulletproof. The takeaway is never click suspicious links in an email and always go to the official website to log in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. Bye bye.